Understood now? So what I'm saying, everybody, the volume of the liquid displaced is equals to volume of the immersed portion of the body. Now you all tell me, everyone. So suppose the bodies keep on immersing. When I said, for example, I'm taking now again 3 beakers. 3 beakers. This is a question very important. You see, here different liquids I have taken, so that different volume of the liquid will displace. Now, I have taken a 3 different containers having a same liquid. That liquid is water. What is the liquid I have taken? Everybody? What is the liquid I have taken? Water. Now, in this, I just dipped 1/4 of the object. 1/4 of the object. Now, another same object I dipped here. Half of the object is dipped. Understand, Nivedan? Same water. Okay. Now here also water. Now here completely I dipped it. Now tell me, in which case it will experience the greater buoyancy force? Anybody? Yes. Third case. Understanding? So now here it will displaces some amount of water. Let me take suppose 10 ml of water displaces. So volume of the immersed portion equals to how much, everybody? What is the volume of the immersed portion? Yeah, volume of the immersed portion equals to amount of volume of displaced liquid. What is the volume of displaced liquid? Everybody. Example.
10 ml.
10 ml. Water. Then volume of this immersed portion also how much? Everybody. 10 ml. But it is a solid. Solid we will say in ml. Solid does we say in ml volume? No. So keep it in mind. Now I will say you 1 ml is equals to 1 cubic centimeter. Now you remember and tell me. So 10 ml means what is the immersed portion? Immersed portion 10 cubic centimeter. Purima. Now I dipped half. By the time I collected, imagine I collected around 20 ml of water. Then what is the immersed portion? Volume of the immersed portion? Everybody? 20 cubic centimeter. Now completely I immersed. Now imagine I collected 40 ml of water. 40 ml of water. Then what is the volume of the entire block?
40 cubic centimeter.
Understand, everybody? So now when I went from case 1 to case 3, in which case buoyancy force is greater? Anybody can tell? Everyone? Yes. FB in case 1. Understand? FB1 and this is FB2 and this is FB3. Buoyancy force in 1, buoyancy force in 2, buoyancy force in 3. Which is greater? Everybody? FB3. Understanding? Then I put after that 4th beaker. Imagine, everybody. Now Agalya put it this one just below the surface. Now Shivani put the same stone just touching bottom of the surface. Now this 3rd case and 4th case. Tell me where the buoyancy force is greater. Anybody?
3rd case.
3rd case or 4th case? Same object, same water, same object. Here just below the surface. Here at the bottom. Settle down. Where the buoyancy force is greater? Anybody?
4th case.
No. 3rd case. 3rd case and 4th case. Buoyancy force is what? 3rd case and 4th case. Buoyancy force is what? Equal. Do you understand, everyone? So once the object is completely immersed, please note it. Once the object is completely immersed, by the time it becomes maximum buoyancy force, and further you go whatever the depth, it will experience the same buoyant force. Puriyamama, I'm not talking about pressure. I'm talking about buoyancy force. Do you understand what I'm saying, everybody? Once the object will completely submerge, whatever the depth, do you understand, everyone? So the buoyancy force will reach us to the maximum. After that, the buoyant force remains constant. Okay, guys? Respond at least. Yes. Write the statement. Buoyant force on an object. Buoyant force on an object. Buoyant force on an object increases as the object is immersed in a liquid immersed in a liquid and becomes maximum. When it will becomes maximum, everybody? When it is partially or completely immersed? Completely. When maximum, when it is completely submerged. புரியுமாரா? எல்லாமே understood?
Yes.
Yeah. No, Abrami. When it will touch also, there will be a buoyancy force. But by the time weight is greater than buoyancy force. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Well, that is what? That is what concept of sink and flotation. Flotation and sinking. We'll study. Don't worry. That is what. So afterwards, what will happen? Once it is completely submerged, afterwards, buoyancy force remains constant or changes? Everybody. The buoyant force remains. Yes, please. Buoyant force remains what? Once it is completely submerged.
Constant.
Constant.
That is what I want to say. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Okay. Agalya, Shivani, Kavya, understand Kavya? Sangamitra? Yeah. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Mr. Pranav, clear, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what. So when the body will experience maximum buoyancy force, partially immersed or completely immersed?
Completely immersed.
Completely immersed. And volume of the displaced liquid is equals to what? Everybody. Volume of the displaced liquid is equals to volume of the immersed,
Immersed.
not total volume. Purima, immersed portion. Okay, guys, everyone. Yes, please respond. So from that we will write a buoyant force formula. So buoyant force is equals to, keep it in mind, weight of the liquid displaced. Weight of the liquid. Respond. Weight of the liquid displaced. Okay. So what is the weight formula? Anybody can tell? Weight formula. Tell me. Weight equals to mg. Understanding? That is what? What do you mean by m? Mass of the liquid. Mass of the liquid displaced. Mass of the liquid displaced into g. Okay, wow. Next. Density formula. Density is equals to mass by volume. Now volume is, mass is equals to what? Everybody. Mass is equals to what?
Density into volume.
But this volume means what? Volume of liquid or volume of object or volume of displaced liquid? Everybody. Volume of, yes please. Volume of, everybody. Displaced liquid, which is equals to what? Volume of displaced liquid equals to something. What is that? Everybody.
Immersed portion.
Immersed portion of the object. So that immersed portion of the object only we'll consider as a what? V1. What is that? V1. So I will write density into volume of displaced or immersed portion of the liquid. Displaced liquid or immersed portion of the object into G. So what is the symbol? Volume of liquid displaced or immersed portion of the object. We have taken what? Nivedan?
V1.
V1. Okay. V1 into G. So this is only buoyancy force formula. Buoyant force, learn it, is equals to D into V1 into G. What do you mean by D? Everybody tell me. What do you mean by G? Density. Density of what? Density of what? Liquid. Density of what? Please write it.
Liquid.
Not solid. Density of liquid, not object. Next, V1 means what? V1 means rand, we can say. What is that? Everybody. Volume of, very good Gokul. Volume of displaced liquid. Or, what is that Gokul? Which is equals to immersed portion. Okay.
Of the body.
Yes. Volume of immersed portion of the body or object. Okay, wow. Ellame. Understand, guys? So this is what is buoyancy formula. What is the buoyancy formula? Everybody? Yes, please.
D into V1 into G.
That is what? dV1G. Density of a liquid into volume of the liquid displaced into acceleration due to gravity. That is what you have to remember. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So if you understand this concept, so this is all about it. Then next class we'll study floating and sinking, and next one, principle of flotation, when the object will sink or when the object will float. Again, based upon the conceptual class we'll study, and we'll form a formation, rules and applications of flotation, and then that's all. This chapter will be over. Okay, already according to school it is over. Now we are studying only the extra things what is needed for us to make our foundation stronger. I hope you all understand today's class. Everybody, anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Do you understand, guys? What is the principle behind the manufacturing of a ship, boat, and all? This is what is the principle behind manufacturing of ship, boat, and all? Everybody, Archimedes
Archimedes.
principle. Okay, so that is what is Archimedes principle? Anybody can tell fastly. Archimedes principle: the upthrust experienced by a partially or completely immersed object, which is equals to what? Everyone? Which is equals to weight of the liquid. Weight of the liquid displaced. And volume of the liquid displaced is equals to something. Everybody? Volume of the liquid displaced is equals to immersed.
Volume of the object.
Yeah, volume of object கிடையாது. Volume of object கிடையாது. Volume of immersed
portion.
understand? So that is what you have to remember. Okay, so do it and make it everything clear. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask, or else you can leave from the meeting. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet in next class.